Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be sharing with you an amazing remedies that reduces oil, acne, pimples from your skin and gives a brighter and glowing skin as never before. I hope you will find useful recipes for here. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. So, let's move to the remedy. For this remedy we need fresh cucumber. Cucumber contains high amount of folic acid and vitamin C. It reduces puffiness and swelling of the skin. Cucumbers are a mild astringent. They tighten pores, help regulate oil production, and reduce pore size. It helps manage oily skin texture and treats clogged pores, acne, and blemishes. Cut the cucumber in pieces and grind using a blender. Add some water if needed. Filter the cucumber juice using a strainer.
We use this roughage for second remedy. We got fresh cucumber juice, add lemon juice in it. Lemon juice contains high amount of vitamin C. It is also an effective way of reducing excess oil and sebum, which in turn prevents acne and pimple. Add 1/4 spoon of lemon juice. Next ingredient we add wheat flour. Wheat flour, also called atta. It fight oily skin, cleanse out toxins, reduce tan and dark spots and improve skin elasticity and brightness. Add 2 spoons of wheat flour. Next we add multani mitti in this remedy. Multani mitti, fuller's earth, is able to remove excess oil, dirt, sebum, sweat and impurities from the skin. It is helpful in cleaning pores from the inside, which further aids in preventing acne and pimples. Add 1 spoon multani mitti. Mix all the ingredients well together. Finally we add curd in this mixture. Again mix all together until we get face pack consistency. Second remedy is cucumber skin brightening scrub. For making this scrub we use cucumber paste. In a clean bowl we take cucumber paste. Add half spoon sugar in it. Sugar scrub will help remove dirt and impurities, unclog pores, improve blood circulation, fade scars, helps in acne and pimples. The glycolic and alpha hydroxyl acid in sugar assists to keep skin well balanced, healthy, and glowing. Sugar is also known as a natural source of glycolic acid. It is an alpha hydroxy acid. Finally we add olive oil in this mixture. Add 1 spoon olive oil. Olive oil contains vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids that naturally moisturize the skin. Olive oil contains antioxidants that can help to lighten and brighten the skin. A scrub that combines sugar and an olive oil to help your skin. It provides skin softness and supple feel, plus will remove all dirt and will unclog pores. Apply cucumber scrub on your skin and gently massage for 5 to 10 minutes. Wash it off with plain water. After scrub, apply face pack with the help of your fingertips. Apply all over your face and neck area. It is also good for dark circles. Keep this pack for 20 to 25 minutes. After drying, gently massage with fingertips. Wash it off with tap water. Pat dry with soft cloth. And apply your favorite moisturizer. For best results, use this brightening scrub twice in a week and apply this pack for alternate days. Both men and women can use these remedies. I hope you will find useful recipes for here. Share your experience with us in comment section. Thanks for watching.